Hello and welcome to part 12 of this tutorial on how to create a full-stack website using MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. In this part, we'll keep working on our image controllers and create the image routes. We'll start off in the imagecontrollers.js file. Copy the post image controller down. Delete everything in the function body. Rename the controller to getImageById. I'll change the route comment to a GET request at /API/image/:id. The description will be get a single image. Create an image constant, then set it to await image.findById. Pass in the request.params.id. Below that, create an if check. If we get an image, we'll send a res.json with image in the parentheses. Else, we'll send a res.status of 404. Then throw a new error displaying image not found. Add that controller to our export object. Then copy it down. I'll change the route to a put request and the description to update image entry. Change the controller name to update image. Delete everything in the function body. Now we need to destructure some constants from the body. So pull source, alt, and author out of the request.body. Below that, create an image constant, then set it to await image.findById. Pass in request.params.id. Next, create an if check to see if we have the image. If so, we'll set the image.source to source. But we'll use a ternary check to see if source has a value. If so, it is set to source. Else, it's set to the image.source. Copy that line down and change source to alt. Copy that line down and change alt to author. Next, create an updated image constant and set it to await image.save. Send a res.json containing the updated image. For the else block, we'll send a res.status of 404. Then throw a new error of image not found. We're done with the update image controller, so copy it down. I'll switch the description to delete a single image and the route to a delete request. Change the controller name to delete image. Remove everything in the function body. Create an image constant. Then set it to await image.findById. Pass in request.params.id. Create an if check and pass in the image. If it's there, await image.remove. Then send a res.json containing an object where we set the message to image removed. Else, send a res.status of 404 and throw a new error displaying image not found. Make sure we're exporting all the controller names. Now we need to create the image routes. In the routes folder, create an image routes.js file. Bring in Express. Create a router constant and set it to the express.router. We need to bring in our middleware, so require protect and admin from our auth middleware file. Now bring in our controllers. I'll require an empty object from the image controllers file. Then copy all of the exports and bring them in. Now to create the routes. Add a router.route, and the param will be a /. Add.post. Pass in the protect and admin middleware. Then the post image controller. Add a .get request and pass in the get images controller. Add another router.route. The route will be at /:ID. Add a .delete request. Then pass in protect, admin, and the delete image controller. Add a .put request. Then pass in protect, admin, and the update image controller. Add a .get request. Then add protect, admin, and the get image by ID controller. Now set the module.exports to the router. Then we're done with the image controllers and routes.